Welcome back. Children's Court at Panji has directed Crime Branch to evoke charge for destruction of evidence against headmistress of Deep Vihar School, Charlotte Furtado, and other staff in Vasco minor girl rape case. The court has also directed investigating agency to probe victim's father's allegation that an MPT official had offered him 5 lakh rupees to hush up the case.
The 7-year-old girl was raped on January 14 morning in the toilet of the school. Till the police could reach the scene of offence, school staff forced victim to have a bath and washed her clothes on the direction of headmistress. Initially, the investigating agency did not book them for destruction of evidence, saying that they did it unintentionally. But after hearing a plea filed by victim girl's father, the Children's Court directed to book the headmistress and school staffs for destruction of evidence.
The Children's Court was today pleased to direct that offences under Section 201 of the IPC for destruction of evidence be booked against the headmistress and other staff of the school for having destroyed all the evidence after the rape of that 7-year-old young Vasco girl.
Victim girl's father said that 2 close relatives of headmistress, who are identified by the victim girl as culprit after seeing their photographs, should be brought before the girl for identification parade.
These 2 persons who've been identified, they should be brought before my daughter and done a parade if they are not the same person. So if the girl is to be shown, she could identify whether they are the person or not. That parade was not done. So unless and until this happens, I cannot believe that these 2 persons were not involved in the case.
The court has also directed Crime Branch to probe victim's father allegation that MPT officials had offered him 5 lakh rupees to hush up the case. With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
BJP has announced that around 1,000 people belonging to ST-OBC community will get funds for building houses within next 15 days. The much-awaited Sanskriti Bhavan will be constructed within coming financial year. BJP lashed out at Congress for playing political gimmicks over ST-OBC welfare issues. Party has demanded probe into the diversion of funds of ST Corporation by previous government.
काँग्रेस पक्षान तसो खरें म्हळ्यार आमचे आरोप करपाचो नैतीक अधिकार तांकां ना. तांणी पूर्णपणे ताचो नैतीक अधिकार गमायल्लो आसा. कारण फाटल्या 6-7 वर्सांच्या कालखंडामध्ये जो ट्रायबल सप्लनाचो जो पैसो जो खरें म्हळ्यार 12% बजेटान आसपाक जाय आशिल्लो तो पैसो खंय गेलो हाजें उत्तर खरें म्हळ्यार त्या काँग्रेसच्या अशा लोकांनी दिवपाक जाय. आनी खरें म्हळ्यार म्हाका दिसता की अनेक कडेन हे जे पैसे आसा डायवर्ट करून ताजो दुरुपयोग केल्लो आसा. खरें म्हळ्यार हाजी चवकशी जावपाक जाय आनी हाजी चवकशी आमी करतले. ते खंय गेले कशे खंय वापरले हाजो फुडल्या काळांत विचार करतले. अटल आसराची योजना आमी नवीन योजना काडली आसा की जो गरिबांतलो गरीब मनशाक घर मेळचें आनी त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान नवीन घर बांदपा खातीर ताका 2.5 लाख पर्यंतचे आमी अनुदान आमी दिवपाचो ह्या सरकारान निर्णय घेतलो आसा. आनी ती योजना लोकां पर्यंत पावपाच्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान आमचो टार्गेट आसा आतां फुडल्या 15-20 दिसां भितर कमीत कमी 1000 घरां ह्या वर्साक दिवपाचो आमचो टार्गेट आसा.
State government has clarified in the High Court that benefits of rehabilitation plan for slum dwellers at Moti Dongor will be granted after examining them on individual basis. Scheme will not be in general for all, as only certain portion of Moti Dongor area has been notified as slum area. More than 300 residents have filed a petition to get relief from demolition.
During the hearing of petition filed by Moti Dongor slum dwellers before the High Court on Monday, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni said that benefit of rehabilitation program for slum dwellers will be granted after examining individual cases by a competent authority. More than 300 petitioners have knocked the door of the High Court seeking relief from demolition. Advocate General also said that all petitioners cannot be treated equally, as only certain portion of Moti Dongor area has been notified as slum area. Petitioners residing outside notified slum area will be granted benefits of rehabilitation program on case-to-case basis. The High Court further granted 2 weeks' time to the government to file a report regarding the petitioners who are eligible to get benefits of rehabilitation program. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Now, Goa Barge Owners Association is demanding relief after mines closure. Barge owners claim that situation has turned so bad that there are chances of Goan barge owners committing suicide. They want the government to pay their quarterly interest on loans and clearance to export mining dumps. Some have demanded exit policy, whereas some want CM to declare Goa as affected area.
Budget Chief Minister present करता जो आमचो इश्यू हो सेटल करपाचो आनी सारके पॅकेज दिवपाचें आमकां. Main is the not only interest waiver, we also require clearance of dumps to be exported because जोपर्यंत आमकां मायनींग जर कितली क्वांटिटी एक्सपोर्ट जातली आमकां खबर ना सद्या अजून कित्याक मायनीची स्क्रुटिनी चालू आसा. सो आतां जर क्वांटिटी जर कमी जाली जाल्यार आमकां आमचो जो रेट आसा पळय तो रेट रिवायज करपाक जाय आनी आमकां क्वांटिटी जाय. क्वांटिटी जर मेळना आमकां जाल्यार आमचो बिझनेस वायबल जायना. So we also want one more thing is that we want even exit policy.
की बार्ज ओनर अशा परिस्थितीकडे पावल्या की जे आम्ही बँकेकडल्यान लोन घेतिल्ले ते लोन परत करा म्हणून सांगपाक जे कोलेटर घर दवरिल्ले आसा ते घर घाण दवरिल्लें घर परत घेवपा खातीर बँकेन जवळ एका बँकेन 5 बार्ज ओनरांक नोटिशी दिल्ल्यो आसा. आनी आतां अशी परिस्थिती आसा की शेतकऱ्यांनी जशी महाराष्ट्रात आत्महत्या केली तशी आत्महत्या बार्ज ओनरांनी करपाची काय कितें ही परिस्थिती उद्भवलेली आसा. आज आमची परिस्थिती ह्या 15 एका म्हयन्या भितर जर खरोखरच हाचेर तोडगो कितें येयना आमच्या एका क्वॉर्टराचो जर इंट्रस्ट सरकार आपल्या ताब्यांत घेवन जर आमकां फारीक करिना जाल्यार बार्ज ओनर खरोखरच आत्महत्ये पलीकडे वचपाची तयारीत आसा अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Going to appeal to Honorable Chief Minister to declare Goa as an affected area. If he declares Goa as an affected area, then we can go to the bank and ask for certain reliefs. Now these reliefs have been given in the past, like even in Gujarat when there were floods in Surat, that time the government had considered and Reserve Bank had come out with a package. If the Goa government declares Goa as an affected area or even as mining affected sector, we will be able to get relief. Some package will come from the Reserve Bank.
They held a meeting with Mormugaon MLA Milind Naik.
आज तो रिपोर्ट रेडी जातलो. फाल्यां आमी टायम घेता सीएमा कडेन तो रिपोर्ट तेजे कडेन प्रोड्यूस करतले. बार्ज वाल्यांक म्हणून सारकें डिक्लेअर जावं ना किंवा कांयच सांगूं ना. 1-2 कडेन म्हाका दिसता तांकां सीएमान टायम 2-3 दिवन तेंचेय डायरेक्ट डिस्कशन जाला. फाल्यां आमचो रिपोर्ट घेवन आमी फाल्यां तांकां मेळटा सीएमाक आनी ते रिपोर्ट घेवन मेळून सगळे ग्रिवन्सीस आनी एडिशनल पॉयंट्स कितें येयला ते सांगतले. आतां खरीच अडचण आहा की बँकवाले बी तांकां सतोवपाक लागला आनी डेफिनेटली सततले. बँक लास्टाक ते लोनाचेर आहा न्हू ते. फाल्यां सीएमा कडेन डिस्कशन केल्या नंतर आमकां क्लियर पिक्चर कळटलें की कशा पद्दतीन सीएम तांकां आनी गव्हर्नमेंट हेल्प करूंक शकता.
Our reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.